In this video, we're gonna show you how to fix Shark Vacuum not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, initial checks, password and network name. Double check that you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password and network name. In the SharkClean app, passwords are case sensitive. 2.5 GHz versus 5 GHz. Shark vacuums typically only connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. If your router has both, make sure you are selecting the 2.4 GHz network. Router replacement. Ensure your router is centrally located and not obstructed by walls or large objects that could weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Then basic troubleshooting steps. Reboot everything. Phone, restart your smartphone. Router. Unplug your router, wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. Robot. Take your Shark robot off the dock and press the power button for 10 seconds to turn it off. Wait 10 seconds, then place it back on the dock. Check Wi-Fi signal. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is working by connecting another device to it. If the internet is down, that's your problem. App connection. In the SharkClean app, make sure you are logged in with the correct Shark account credentials. After that, advanced troubleshooting. Robot indicator. Pay attention to the lights on your Shark robot. They often provide clues about the connection issue. Read exclamation point, incorrect password, solid red lights, network not found, flashing red lights, wrong username or password. Factory reset. If all else fails, you might need to reset your Shark robot to factory settings. The process varies slightly by model, but usually involves holding down two buttons. Firmware updates. Check for firmware updates for both your Shark robot and your Wi-Fi router. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity issues. And the last one is Connect Shark support. If you have tried everything and your Shark vacuum still won't connect, it's time to contact Shark customer support for further assistance. So that's how you can fix Shark vacuum not connecting to Wi-Fi.